Have you ever thought about the pH balance in your body? Acid-base balance is crucial for maintaining optimal biological processes. Even slight changes in pH can significantly impact cellular functions. Buffer systems play a vital role in regulating these levels. Buffers can either absorb excess hydrogen ions or release them when needed. They exist in both intracellular and extracellular fluids. The most critical plasma buffers include carbonic acid, bicarbonate, and hemoglobin. Interestingly, hemoglobin combines with carbon dioxide almost instantly to help regulate pH levels. Let's explore the three main buffer systems in the body. First, plasma proteins act within seconds to stabilize pH. Next, we have the lungs, which respond within seconds to minutes. Breathing in and out helps eliminate carbon dioxide, a key player in acid-base balance. Lastly, the kidneys provide a slower but crucial response. They can take hours to days to regulate pH by excreting hydrogen and reabsorbing bicarbonate. Phosphates and ammonia are important buffers in the kidneys. They attach to hydrogen ions, which are then secreted into urine, helping maintain balance. Understanding acid-base balance is essential for overall health. By knowing how our body regulates pH, we can appreciate its complexity.